All right, let's break down this fresh new Python Turtle quiz assignment. This quiz is a more advanced version of the first quiz you wrote because it includes a graphic when you get the answer right or wrong. So check it out. If we look in the bottom corner or lower portion of Python, it's going to ask us a question. What is 2 plus 2? I will type in 4, and I get a green check mark. Next question, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or Hot Pockets? I will say Hot Pockets. I'll press the number 2, press enter. I get a red X. That is saying that that is sadly the wrong answer. So you have the opportunity to write at least 5 questions, 10 questions if you choose to work with a partner. Use if-else statements for each answer or for each question. And then the green check mark or the red X were the result of me writing functions. Check out the separate video to see how to set up a function for a shape. I would like you, and if you choose to work with a partner, your partner, to write your own custom functions that create your own custom shapes. Please do not use my green check mark or red X. So you could think about happy face, sad face, for example. A star, if you get it right, and a black triangle if you get it wrong. I don't know. You're creative, friends. Also, when the game ends, use a graphic that is set up as a function to show game over. Now, you can choose the subject of your quiz. You can choose whether your answers are multiple choice or one-word short answers. The choice is up to you. There is starter code to get you going, but again, I'm encouraging you and telling you, please create your own custom graphics for the right answer, the wrong answer, as well as game over, using them as functions that you call when needed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.